Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and priority. Verify the 12V accessory circuit with a multimeter so the adapter only powers when ignition is on. Once done, pick your hardware: a simple Bluetooth receiver, FM transmitter, or a direct head unit swap. Each trades audio quality versus complexity. Make sure you have trim tools and basic wiring gear on hand, because you will access the radio or cigarette socket immediately after. This prevents dead ends once you begin installation. Now you perform the actual install. Remove necessary trim and mount the adapter in a concealed, ventilated spot like behind the dash or glove box. Next, wire power into the accessory 12V line so the unit turns off with ignition, attach a solid chassis ground, and route audio via AUX, USB, or the FM transmitter into the head unit. Once wired, pair your phone. Make sure you choose hands-free profile or A2DP for music, and test microphone routing for calls. Finish by testing everything. Play music, place test calls, drive briefly to ensure stable connection and proper volume balance. Once satisfied, secure wiring with zip ties, replace trim, and make sure nothing rubs against moving components or heat. If you run into problems, follow a single diagnostic path. Confirm accessory power and fuse, verify ground continuity, ensure head unit is on AUX or correct input, and repair the phone. If interference persists, reposition the module or try a different FM frequency for clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.